If you want to avoid financial stress, stay ahead of your expenses, and earn a predictable monthly income, then this video is for you. I'll be diving into financial management strategies, including budgeting, tracking expenses, managing cash flow, and pricing for your services so you can steer your ship towards financial success. The last segment on pricing your services using a subscription pricing model is especially critical for your financial stability. So stick around for that. As an entrepreneur, I built a spa business from scratch and grew it to 7 figures in revenue by leveraging a subscription pricing model. So let's get into the tips on financial management for entrepreneurs. All right, let's start with the basics, budgeting. A budget is like a roadmap for your financial journey. It helps you plan your spending and your savings. Begin by forecasting your income realistically. Take into account seasonal fluctuations and any potential changes in clients or your projects. Categorize your expenses, including fixed costs, your rent, utilities, and your variable costs, which are supplies and marketing, amongst other things. Allocate a portion of your budget to an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. This is critical. And review your budget every month and make adjustments as needed. A flexible budget is key. Now, let's talk about tracking your expenses. It's easy for solopreneurs to lose track of where their money is going. Effective expense tracking helps maintain control over your finances. Consider using apps or accounting software to track your expenses. These tools can automate much of the process. Some options for you to consider are QuickBooks, Self-Employed, FreshBooks, Wave, Expensify, and Zoho Expense. Save all your receipts and invoices. This makes it easier to reconcile expenses and claim deductions during the tax season. Set aside time each week or month to review your expenses. This helps identify any unusual or unnecessary spending. Keep separate bank accounts and credit cards for your business to avoid commingling your funds. Cash flow management is another critical aspect of financial management. It's about ensuring you have enough cash to cover your expenses when they come due. Let's dive into some of the tips on that. Project your cash flow for several months ahead. This will help you anticipate any shortages. Send out invoices as soon as you complete a project or deliver a product. The faster you invoice, the sooner you'll get paid. Consider offering early payment discounts to encourage your clients to pay sooner. If possible, delay non-essential expenses during tough or tight cash flow periods. Be cautious when extending credit to your clients. Implement clear payment terms and follow up on overdue payments. One aspect of financial management that solopreneurs can't afford to ignore is tax planning. Proper tax planning can save you money and prevent any surprises come tax season. Also, hire a professional. Consider hiring a tax professional or accountant specializing in small businesses. They can really help you navigate complex tax laws. Calculate and pay estimated taxes quarterly to avoid a large tax bill at the end of the year, and familiarize yourself with tax deductions available to solopreneurs. Keep records to support all of your deductions, and explore retirement saving options like a SEP IRA or a solo 401k to secure your financial future. Now, let's explore a very powerful strategy that can significantly impact your financial management as a solopreneur: the subscription pricing model. If you've been looking for a way to create a steady stream of income, this is it. One of the biggest challenges for solopreneurs is the unpredictability of income. Some months are up and some months are down. You might have fantastic months followed by quiet ones, which makes it hard to plan and manage your finances effectively. The solution is a subscription pricing model. This approach allows you to offer your products or services on a subscription basis, creating a reliable, recurring income stream. A subscription is when you pay a fee every month or year to keep using your service or product, just like how you pay for a music streaming service like Spotify. With subscriptions, you can count on a consistent income flow. It helps you cover essential expenses and gives you real financial stability. Subscription revenue can aid in managing your cash flow since you can forecast your income more accurately. As your subscriber base grows, so does your income. It's a scalable model that can lead to long-term financial success. Now, I want to illustrate the power of subscription pricing model for solopreneurs. So let's take a look at a real life story. Sarah. Sarah is a passionate course creator who struggled with the traditional model of selling individual courses. Her income was inconsistent. Her students often hesitated to commit to a single course. Sarah decided to introduce a subscription-based learning platform where subscribers gained access to all of her courses for a monthly fee. This created a steady stream of income. Now, the results were remarkable. With subscribers committing to ongoing access, Sarah enjoyed a reliable monthly income. Students loved the value of unlimited courses, leading to higher engagement and lower drop-off rates. The consistent revenue allowed Sarah to invest in course quality and hire assistants and expand her course library, ultimately attracting more subscribers. Now, stop for a minute. Think of the product or service that you're offering and ask yourself to imagine how you can offer that on a subscription basis. And let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking of. By combining sound financial management practices with innovative strategies like subscription pricing, you can survive and thrive as an entrepreneur. If you're ready to learn more about how subscription pricing could help your business, I can help you get started. I have decades of hands-on, day-to-day experience using the subscription model to grow the revenue of large, small, and startup companies, including my own subscription spa business, which I grew to over 7 figures in revenue. For a limited time, I'm offering a free coaching call to a handful of entrepreneurs. You can apply by using the link in the description and comments. On that free call, I will guide you through my 5-step process for creating irresistible offers.